International Space Station, Astronomy 101, Professor Richards. Facts about the International Space Station. The International Space Station is a multi-nation construction project that is the largest single structure humans ever put into space. Its main construction was completed between 1998 and 2011. The International Space Station took 10 years and more than 30 missions to assemble. It is the result of unprecedented scientific and engineering collaboration among 5 space agencies representing 15 countries. The most funding comes from NASA, United States, Roscosmos, Russia, and the European Space Agency. The other partners are the Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency and the Canadian Space Agency. 230 individuals from 18 countries have visited the International Space Station as of January 2018. Top participating countries include the United States, which were 145 people, and Russia, which were 46 people. The space station flies at an average altitude of 248 miles above Earth. It circles the globe every 90 minutes at a speed of about 17,500 miles per hour. In one day, the station travels about the distance it would take to go from Earth to the Moon and back. The structure. The space station, including its large solar array, spans the area of a U.S. football field, including the end zones. It weighs 861,804 pounds, not including visiting vehicles. It has more room than a 5-bedroom house, has 2 bathrooms, gym facilities, and a 360-degree bay window. The International Space Station was taken up to space, piece by piece, and gradually built in orbit using spacewalking astronauts and robotics. Most missions used NASA's space shuttle to carry up the heavier pieces, although some individual models were launched on single-use rockets. Astronauts have also compared the space station's living space to the cabin of Boeing 747 jumbo jet. Records in space. Most consecutive days in space by an American, 340 days, which happened when Scott Kelly took part in a 1-year mission to the International Space Station in 2015 to 2016. The space agencies did a comprehensive suite of experiments on the astronauts, including a twin study with Kelly and his Earth-bound former astronaut twin, Mark. Longest space flight by a woman, 289 days, during American astronaut Peggy Winston's 2016 to 2017 mission aboard the space station. Most total time spent in space by a woman, again Peggy Winston, who racked up most of her 655 days in space on the ISS. Most women in space at once. This happened in April 2010 when women from 2 spaceflight missions met at the ISS. Biggest space gathering, 13 people, during NASA's STS-127 shuttle mission aboard Endeavour in 2009. Longest single spacewalk, 8 hours and 56 minutes, during STS-102 for an ISS mission in 2001. NASA's astronauts Jim Voss and Susan Helms participated. Longest Russian spacewalk, 8 hours and 13 minutes, during Expedition 54 to repair an ISS antenna. Russian astronauts Alexander Mizurkin and Anton Skapelarov participated. Events in order. ISS historical timeline. President Reagan directs NASA to build the ISS in January 25, 1984. First ISS segment launches November 20, 1998. First U.S.-built component launches December 4, 1998. First crew to reside on station, November 2nd, 2000. U.S. Lab Module added, February 7, 2001. U.S. Lab Module recognized as newest U.S. National Laboratory, 2005. European Lab joins the ISS, February 7, 2008. Japanese Lab joins the ISS, March 11, 2008. ISS 10-year anniversary, November 2nd, 2010. NASA issues cooperative agreement, February 14, 2011. NASA selects the ISS National Lab, July 13, 2011. The first ISS National Lab research flight, 2013. Therefore, the International Space Station is a unique place, a convergence of science, technology, and human innovation that demonstrates new technologies and makes research breakthroughs not possible on Earth.